Hi everyone, welcome. I'm Madeline. I'm here at the Film Tools booth at Cinegear 2026. And from Saramonic, we just released or will be releasing this new XLR transmitter. It's a plug-in transmitter for our K9 system. This system also has 32-bit float, internal recording. If you're in the United States, you can either record or transmit. If you're outside of the United States, you can record and transmit. You can record internally and transmit at the same time. You can use any XLR microphone, yes.
Perfect. And
exactly.
I connect that to what? What is the receiver of that?
So we have this receiver here for the K9. It is the first receiver in the industry to have a top-down display on the receiver.
Are you kidding me?
Yes.
So you don't have to take it out of your belt to see it, or you can see it from the camera?
You don't have to take it out. You can see it right from your sound bag, so that or the top of the camera, whichever application is relevant to you. But we also, along with the K9, so the K9 has time code. It can be controlled by application, the Saramonic system app. You can mute units, you can group units, name them, and then you can also integrate them with, like, the original K9 comes with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, and then this new plug-in, you can buy it obviously with 1 receiver independently.
So with this kit, you can have 2 lavalier mics,
Yes.
or 1 lavalier and 1 handheld.
So another great thing about the K9 is it comes with this super small lavalier. It's 3 millimeters. It's one of the smallest lavaliers in the industry. And it's also, the cable itself is Kevlar cable. So it's Kevlar reinforced, it's super strong. You can close it in a case and it would be just fine. It's also waterproof and dustproof.
There is a rumor going around that the lavalier mic itself is absolutely indestructible. Is that true?
It is. You can lift a weight with it. You can pretty much do anything with it. There's a lot of tests. I believe it's called the destruction test, the K9 lavalier destruction test. You can look it up on YouTube.
You're killing me. So this is the mic where there's a dude holding the cable, the lavalier, and he has weight on the bottom. That's not AI. That's the real microphone?
That's the real microphone, yes.
You're now hearing me through the lavalier microphone of the Saramonic K9, and it's built to last. In the middle of the wire is a 3 kg dumbbell. Shall we hit it 50 times today? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 48, 49, 50. And this is a huge wine glass of water that has a carbon tablet bubbling in. Can a microphone survive today's waterproof test? Let's find out. I believe you can hear me through the microphone just like before.
This system is great like for rental houses, or if you're hard on your lavaliers, a lot of wear and tear. A lot of the Saramonic products have a rugged design, so they're meant to withstand a lot of use.
Okay, that's for the high-end people. What we have for the friends who, like me, wannabes, like if I want to record from my phone, what
Right.
we use?
So we just released the new Air SE. This mic system is $49. Here are the transmitters. They're super tiny, 5 grams. This is the entire system. The receiver is in the charging bar itself, like this. So this is USB-C right into phone. It is a mobile mic, but it is our first microphone to incorporate an AI-based noise cancellation technology.
Hold on too much. That's not a USB pen drive.
No, this
That's
is a
not a
microphone.
marker.
No, this is a microphone
With 2 lavaliers.
with 2 lavaliers. Yes.
And has artificial intelligence.
And it has AI-based noise cancellation up to 40 decibels of ambient sound. So it's perfect if you're a mobile creator and you don't do a lot of post-processing, but you want to get that professional quality audio. This is a great solution.
And you said it was 400 watts?
$49.
Are you kidding me?
Yes.
Less than the cost of an SD card
Yeah.
for the camera.
Yes.
Okay. And what about this? This is like police gear? What is this?
Yeah, so we also at NAB, we've released our new wireless intercom system called the WeTalk 9X. It is the industry's first modular system, so you can actually change the design from single ear to dual ear to helmet ready configuration after you purchase it. Each headset retails for around $200 US, and it's meant to be used with our WeTalk 9X base, which you can use that base to connect up to 64 different headsets. And these headsets also incorporate that same AI-based noise cancellation technology that's trained on a lot of different samples over time, and it again will drown out about 40 decibels of ambient sound.
What about this? This is incredible. I really, really like it. Tell me about it.
So this is the Saramonic Air. This is the industry's smallest transmitter to have a lavalier input, and we kept it really small. That's why the lavalier itself is proprietary in design. But this system is truly a pocket-sized system. It retails for about $169 US. It comes with dongles for USB-C, for Lightning. It has charging pass-through on the receiver, as well as a display so you can see your levels in real time, make sure that you're actually recording something. And the transmitters are pretty sleek and small, and just you can clip them on, or again, you can use the lavaliers if you wanted a professional look. So for a great price point of $169, you can get that professional quality and look that you need. And then the next step up here, we have the Saramonic Ultra. This is our flagship 2.4 gigahertz system. It's about $250 US. It has 32-bit float internal recording, 8 gigs on each of the transmitters. It also has original true time code technology that is innovated by Saramonic. So we do have our real time code crystals that we're using in our products, and this Saramonic Ultra does have that real time code. So it's a great system. For the price, it comes with 2 lavaliers, and it's also IPX5 rated, so you can use it in variable weather conditions if you do a lot of outdoor shooting. So if you're in the United States, you should definitely go to the Film Tools website, or Film Tools if you're in Los Angeles. If you're not in the United States, you can go to saramonic.com, and we ship globally, or check out a local distributor near you.